What's going on, everyone? Trent here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today we're going to talk about levers. When it comes to the new BMW R1300 GS Adventure, these things are meant to go off-road. If you're going off-road, you already know a big thing you've got to put in your pack are spare levers. Or if you've already dropped your bike and you've broken it, you got to get you a lever. If you've looked up the OEM ones, they're expensive. Now these Tusk levers come in right under 40 bucks. We've got them available for your clutch as well as your brake, and they fit just like OEM. You get to retain the OEM reach adjustment, as well as these come with a new bushing and new spring to make sure that when you're putting this on, it's not gonna be a rattly, cheap feeling lever. This is gonna feel just like OEM. Now these are made out of die-cast aluminum, and they're offered in this great looking black finish with our Tusk logo right here on the front. If you're looking to get yours, jump on the link below or go to our webpage. If you do have any questions or comments about these levers, put them in the comments below. We'd love to get you helped out. As always, we do offer free shipping on all orders over 75 bucks. So if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain ATV MC is the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching.